Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. It seems to be an easy one, so let's see how it goes. First, let's remove the comments. Now I will do this star background and I'll give the background this color. Paste it. Okay. Now I will use body to create that two lines at the back side. So body, and the body will have I'll give the background color for now as this one. Okay, and I will I'll take the width Z. I'll take the width of around 100. Yeah, I don't know if it is correct or not. We'll see in a minute. Next, height, and height will be 200 maybe. Margin, or we could have straight up done it with margin. So margin 100. No, the margin will be more than this, so here we can still compromise a bit, but 120, 30, 40. Yeah, so 140 from this side, and now we can increase the margin from down. So from this side again it will be 140. Okay, it's from downwards, so I can put it at 0. We still need to decrease the margin a little bit, so I'll take it to 120. So not 120, 160. $140 was correct because we have to give border, and the border will be of 20 pixel, solid, and the same color. Now we can remove the background. So the background is removed. Instead we can put -20 there. So -20. Now we do not need this div. We'll instead use A and AB. So here is A, and the width and height will be, let's see how much we need. So position fixed, and the height will be far less than this, so I'll take an approximation of 40, and the width will be, I'll give it a value 200. And now let's use margin to give it 100 as always. It will have a little bit of minus value, I think, -10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah, and from this side it will be -10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and not 90, it would be 85, and the width will be 240, 50. Now let's change the color, and the color will be this one. Let's paste it. Perfect. And the next thing we have to do is for B. Let's first bring it in a single line. So now I can use square brackets B, and now it will have a lesser width, so I'm going to put the width at 200. The background will be of this color. Paste. Now I'll use margin again. 100. No. It will be, I think, 40, 30. And this will be around -10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah. So I'm going to submit it once. Let's see what output we get. Although it seems to be 100%. Yeah. So we got a score of 651.05. Let's now bring it in a single line. And let's now submit it. It will be, I think, around 655 or something. 657.23. Okay, so that's for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.